Number 3. Italy. Italy is a feast for the senses, with its delicious food, vibrant cities, and stunning scenery. The country is home to the Alps, the Mediterranean Sea, and the rolling hills of Tuscany. Number 2. Greece. Greece is awash in history and culture, from the ancient ruins of Athens to the whitewashed villages of the Cyclades. The country is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, as well as stunning mountain ranges and lush valleys. Number 1. New Zealand. New Zealand is known for its stunning scenery, from snow-capped mountains to lush forests to sparkling glaciers. The country is also home to some of the most unique wildlife in the world, including kiwis, kea, and Hector's dolphins.